Hello, Softyflow provides a method to manage versions of your application. Let's create a version of our application by clicking on the Version tab. We can insert a version name. There are 3 versions in Softyflow. The first is a test, the second is an acceptance, and the last is a production. We can also insert a description of our version. The first version is always by default a test version. We can upgrade it to another version. Your app version should include the developed interface and other system components like API and collection and more. After adding and saving the first version, we can push it to the acceptance version. The version's workflow is a linked system. We cannot create a production or acceptance version as a first version. We can just upgrade the test version to acceptance and acceptance to production, and we can change the production version to acceptance and the same for acceptance by test version. The version's workflow is tree system. Each version must be linked to another version. To create an acceptance version, you can duplicate the version test and push for acceptance. Now we can change the name of our version, we can add the description of the acceptance version, and we can change the mode of the test version by clicking on the acceptance version. Now as pushed to the acceptance, you can do a quick test of your application. We save the acceptance versions. Now the application works on 2 versions, the test versions for the developer to test our application, the acceptance version dedicated to the customer to also test their application. For the production version the same is needed. We can create a version name and description. We can push the acceptance version created before to a production version. You can also delete a version if you want, but is not recommended. Thank you, see you soon, for a next video.